Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm really excited and proud of this new Matariki book that we've done, Te Kāhui o Matariki, the star cluster of Matariki, or the Matariki star cluster. The illustrations by Stephanie Thatcher, as you can see, are very beautiful, and it's all about the various stars in the Matariki cluster and what they mean, what the names mean, and how they're connected to the environment. And so, for example, on this one with Tupua Nuku, it's about the star that connects to the food that is grown in the ground. And so all the way through, you might have recognised as I've been holding this up, but I'll just see if you can tell, that this is actually the first book that we've done which has the English words on the page as well at the bottom there, just small, to help you along with that. And at the beginning there's the picture there with the 9 stars and the meaning. We've got the English words again, and down here we've got lots of ideas that you can use with the book. So there's plenty in there and lots that you can work with children during the Matariki time of year. Ka kite.